today's tutorial, I'll show you how to freeze frame in After Effects. First off, right click your video layer, expand the time option right here, and then click on freeze frame. As you can see, the video is now frozen on this specific frame. However, if you want to freeze a certain frame for a few seconds and then keep playing the video afterwards, all you gotta do is undo what we just did and instead select your layer and hit Ctrl D on the keyboard or Command D to duplicate it. Now move the time indicator towards the frame you want to freeze, select the top layer and right click it. Expand the time option and click on the freeze frame option. Next, hit Ctrl Shift D or Command Shift D on Mac to split the layer up, and once that's done, delete the leftover part. After that, move the time indicator where you want to stop the freezing and hit Ctrl Shift D again to split the layer, and you can then delete this leftover part. And now all you have to do next is move the time indicator towards the starting frame of the frozen layer and select the layer that's at the bottom. Hit Ctrl Shift D to split it up, and while holding Shift, move it towards the ending frame of the top layer. And that's how you get this effect. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.